I've been seeing a lot of keratin treatments on my timeline. Let's call it the algorithm or whatever it is, but I'm actually intrigued. And I went to Sally's and I did a thing and I bought an at-home treatment and I did it on my hair and it feels amazing. Okay, also before we start, really important to know that this does not rearrange the bonds in your hair. This does not enter the cortex of the hair. This is merely a coating to seal the cuticle with the keratin that is heat activated. My curls will come back, but in the meantime, I'm gonna get really soft, smooth results for 6 to 8 weeks, which is really nice. It was really easy to do, so let's get into it. Okay, so my hair's already been washed and blow dried before I bought this set, and so now I gotta rewash again. It says on the instructions, shampoo with the clarifying shampoo 5 times for virgin, resistant hair, 4 times for color processed, and 3 times for highlighted or fine hair. I would consider my hair fine, but not like white fine, like black fine. I'm gonna do it 5 times like it says. It says you don't need to get your scalp. You just wanna make sure that you're cleansing the lengths of your hair 5 times. So let me go do my 5 washes. I would take you in the shower, but like, girl. Okay, so we're 4 washes in. I just felt like 5 washes was excessive because my hair literally was just washed. And I'm somewhere between fine and regular, like normal. Completely dry with medium heat, section the hair to begin the application in the nape of the neck. Okay, so we're gonna dry with our Rev Air. I'll do that really quickly. No heat protectant, but it's a Rev Air, so I feel a little bit better doing it. Okay, so we're all blown out. I'm actually really shocked. I was scared after doing the clarifier that it was just gonna be one tangled ball of hair. It wasn't. It was actually the easiest detangle of my life. Like, I lost that much hair. Like, what is that? And my hair feels really soft. I don't know what's in that clarifying shampoo. Next step is to vigorously shake. What's in this? Keratin, some other things I can't pronounce. So it creates a protective protein layer around the hair shaft, helping to eliminate frizz and smooth the cuticle. It says to get a non-metallic bowl. I'm gonna shake really, really well. It says 2 ounces of the solution, 2 ounces in a bowl. Smells good. Smells like shea butter. Gloves go on. It says start at the nape. I'm gonna part with the comb. It says 1/4 inch sections. I'm assuming that just means like thin section. It says apply with the tint brush and then comb through with the comb side. And it also says don't oversaturate. I'm not a tint brush girly. I like to use my hands, but I'm gonna follow instructions. Yeah, I like to just dip. I know I'm not supposed to, but it's just faster. I'm gonna be here forever if I use that freaking brush. Put on my fingers and then just coat and just drag it through. I'm sorry, because we're gonna be here all day. And it says let it process for 15 minutes. 15 minutes, babe, I'm in one section. And comb through to remove the excess. Anything on the comb is extra. 2 ounces for all this hair. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going around my head. Once I get towards the top, I'm gonna hop in and just talk about if I feel like crap, I need more, or if that 2 ounces is enough. 2 ounces was not enough. 2 ounces is the equivalent of, you know, when they say, oh, just use a dime-sized amount of product. For who? For who? Definitely not 2 Black American ounces. But I ended up using about 3.5 ounces, I think. And even still, I was like, am I undersaturating it? But what I will say is that my hair is really easy to glide through. like really easy to glide through. So 15 minutes, I'll say 10 minutes because it's been about 5 where I've just been kind of sitting here with myself. And then after the time has elapsed, use a paddle vent brush to blow dry the hair completely. So it's been about 10 minutes since I let this rest on my hair. Next, we're gonna need a paddle brush and a blow dryer to just blow dry my hair. Hair's all blow dried. It does feel, I mean, slightly stiff. I wouldn't want to do this. So next step is to flat iron. It says to flat iron between 400 and 450. So we need to seal the keratin into our hair by repeating the smoothing process more than 1 time per strand. So for virgin hair, that's 5 to 7 times. For color treated, that's 5 times. For highlighted hair, that's 3 to 5. Hair, you'll see a glassy appearance on the cuticle layer when the keratin has been sufficiently cured to the hair. I guess we start in the back nape area. In the back where it's more fine, like these really fine hairs, I'll probably just do 3 times. I do feel a little waxy, and hopefully it's not because I overdid it. Using my T3 flat iron, I don't know what model this is. It's like a single pass. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I see the glass. I see it. So I'm just gonna keep going and then I'll get to the front where you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, so the results, yes. It feels super straight by like the second pass. It says do 5, I'm doing 4. I feel comfortable with 4. Yeah, I was scared about the residue, but like the back doesn't have that. I don't feel it. Maybe it just like bakes it in, I don't know. So we're all pressed out. Yes. No, do not wet, do not shampoo, and do not firmly secure the hair with accessories for at least 72 hours. That's it. So it looks good. It actually looks good. It feels good. I thought, again, like it was gonna feel like super waxy, but it doesn't. It doesn't feel waxy at all. I have to wait for 72 hours to do my tape-ins. So what's it, Saturday to do my hair after Tuesday afternoon, pretty much. But yeah, okay. I'll show you the back again. Would you try a keratin treatment at home? Let me know in the comments. Love you, bye.